Example, one n is also a monomial. 2x, y is also a monomial. What about this? 3 plus y, is it a monomial? Yes, it is not a monomial. Why? Because we have two monomial.
Dirang west coming rồi.
Đó xem bao nhiêu tiền rồi? Anh đi để lúc trước cái số gì xuống rồi hay là nào thì để lúc trước chuẩn bị ra.
Đó, tôi nói là chưa bao giờ tôi tôi là lúc sau tôi chơi gì rồi.
Ê, nhà cô, chưa bao giờ tôi chơi chơi học sao chơi đi.
I know you've been here, so I'm going to keep going.
side. We have 26 students from Arunachal, Tawang, okay, who have come here to Sarah to learn Tibetan language and religion, culture. They have come here for 1 month, and today they are here very much, okay. So all of you, welcome to the school, TCB school, by the way. All of you, welcome to you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And right now, the computer science, we have Sir Payala as a teaching here. Class 8 is which section, sir? 8 is now. So Sir will be just going on with the instruction, with the lesson, okay now. So all of you have some, please carry on, sir.
So I was taking class through the basic components of the computer. So that you guys will understand exactly what I'm taking to the class. I'll try and speak in English if that's okay with you guys. Since I understand you're a beginner to Tibetan language, which I'm very confident that our Tibetan teachers will take you guys through that Tibetan language. Yeah. So I was just taking them through the components here. They have understanding about what do we mean by the graphic cards, what do they understand by the hard drive, the processor, and the RAM, and how these fours are assembled and then fitted into the motherboard, which is mainly what we call what? This is the other name for the motherboard is what? Switchboard. Exactly, right? Suppose if you are just a YouTuber, and suppose you are only buying a computer to just simply browse a YouTube or a Facebook or Instagram, and nothing more or no more actions beyond that, do we really need to buy a RAM beyond like 4 or 8 GB? Is there a need to buy 16 GB or 32 GB RAM if you are only going to use that system for watching YouTube videos? No. Or watch RAM memory? 4 GB is enough, right? Because you're not doing a lot of actions over that. So this is how we try to comprehend the knowledge in the class. Pretty much about that for today. So now they will go back to the systems and try to learn more on from their own using the YouTube and internet services that we have available for them all the time. Okay, now as of the saying, CPU is the most important part, or so-called the brain of the computer. Personally, in my opinion, I don't like this term because my understanding about computer is like existence of human being. Right? I cannot survive without my teachers. Even I cannot survive without my students. The students cannot survive without us, right? Likewise, the computer devices cannot survive on its own without having the complete set of assemblies. So I would say each and every part, every components have equally important role to play. Even if the single part is missing, the computer is not complete. So I would say almost pretty much all. But to answer to your question, if somebody asks you, what do you think is the most important, I would say the CPU. But personally, I feel each and every part plays equally important roles.
I hope you had a good time here visiting our school, and in fact you might have seen that everything here is just like in your school, right? You have classrooms, teachers, students. Then regarding the laboratories, then you have this computer lab, science, right? One of the science classes. Good. Now the next thing is you will go to the junior school there, and you have many more things to be seen there in the junior school, right?
굉장히 자신한테 뽑으서 아니 그냥 와서 지금 지금 엄마 내가 비자 엄마 이거 아니 사실 내가 와서 텔레비전 보면 야구도 인도 없이 야구 진짜 비자게 와 저거 되게 뭐 어제 뭐 하려고
It is a very pleasure and privilege now, okay, to speak to all of you, to speak to Madam Kavan. And I'm here now to speak few words. Okay? First of all, this reading room. Okay, now it is in fact now we have under the in fact leadership and guidance of now TCB. We have a mentor. Okay, Madam Chiefila is there, and she has been very instrumental in having this one. And we have in fact we are very grateful, very thankful that the TCB Bylakuppe ex-students, they have in fact through her, Madam Chiefila, and she could now, okay, we have funds for this, raising for this, okay, and this is materialized. We have all this, the requirements of the shelf and the books and all, okay, now the ambience that we created, in fact, including the photos of Ahmed Tamala, okay, we have, okay, the former president of TCB, and also now we have here this one is the Dalai Lama Sujana, and we have the Lord Buddha, okay, there. So before we enter, we have to pray, okay, to Buddha, okay, now, to Sangha, to Dhamma, okay, we have prayed, okay, now, and feel the gratitude, we have to revolution them, okay, now, so that, okay, now, you will move towards the higher, okay, now, the sphere, okay, higher, okay, now, limit, okay, now, higher riches, okay, now, of life, okay, now. And we are thankful to the students of, okay, TCB Bylakuppe excellent students are there for this one, okay, we proud of them. And at present the students are using this. They can lie down, it is just like home, okay, just relax it now, okay. And you will stand it, and we have Madam, where's Madam, so we have Madam sitting, and we have a 10th person, okay, they are volunteers, okay, now, during Sunday time is opened, and during break time is opened. So it is called, what is this room called? B and B. B and B means what?
Books and biscuit.
You can enjoy not only the books, but also you can enjoy the biscuits, healthy food. Okay? And you can avoid the junk food. Okay? We have very unhealthy food. Okay? You should say no. Okay? Good food. Okay? Good, nutritious biscuits are served. The students enjoy learning. Okay, now. And you know well, today's readers are tomorrow's what? Tomorrow's what? Leaders. If you want to be leader tomorrow, not necessarily the Prime Minister, President, but in a way, everyone is a leader. Okay, in a family, you can be a leader. In a classroom, you can be a leader. In a home, you can be a leader. In a leader in your own way. So if you want to be a leader in life, you need to be a good leader. Okay, the students who are good in reading books, they are good in language, they are good in ideas, they are good in knowledge, okay, they are great learners, okay, now. So it's a great, okay, now, platform, foundation, okay, now, okay, now. So you have to be very good in your own language, okay. What is your mother language? Okay, very good. Then we have the English, okay, international, okay. So you have a good language, okay, now. This is important. So I don't want to take much time, but I will focus on some few important things now, okay, to share with you. Here, just brief, okay, now, brief story now. We have now the Chinese, in fact, the Chinese troop, military troop, okay, now, under the direction of the Chinese government, entered Tibet in 1960. October 9, they entered. Okay, within 13 days they captured Chamdo, the whole Chamdo region, and it took 9 years for the complete capture of Tibet. And there was a great threat, okay, to the life of His Holiness, okay, now, and also now the lady of, okay, now the temporal, spiritual leader of Tibet, okay, now we have now, and threat, okay, now. So for the, okay, now, the cause of Tibet now, His Holiness had to flee. Okay, 1959, March 17, night time, His Holiness had to flee from Potala Palace. Okay, it took about 14 days, about 2 weeks, and okay, 31st, okay, we have a March, okay, now 31st March 1959, His Holiness reached where? In Indian soil,
first reached where?
Tawang board.
Tawang, this one is reached. Okay, so we are thankful to the Indian government, okay, and Indian people. We got political asylum. So we are there now. And April 1959, April 24, His Holiness Dalai Lama was in Missouri, Missouri, and there Pandit Nehru came. Who is the first Prime Minister of India?
Pandit Jawaharlal.
Very good boys and girls. Pandit Nehru from Delhi came to Missouri to meet His Holiness Dalai Lama. Okay now, and now at that time, in fact, now there was different issues that political development was regarding the settlement of Tibetan people, now regarding the education of children. So gave first importance to the education of children at that time. This I would say. Now 1960, 3rd March, here, first Tibetan school was opened. So first importance was given to education. Tibet lost complete independence. Because of the modern education, that we can make a great stride in modern education. So now that's important now. So school was made for modern education and also now cultural education. That one. So first one. And next one is now I want to tell about now. TCB school now. We have 8 TCB schools, my dear students. 8 TCB schools now. Himachal Pradesh, we have Upper TCB, Lower TCB, Gopalpur, Chandra, Suja, 5 schools, sister schools. One in Ladakh, we have one. And one in Uttarakhand, one in Bylakuppe. So we have 8 sister schools. I have checked the TCB school. What is this school name? TCB. Full form Tibetan Children's Very good girls and girls now. This school now. And this school has now, I will tell, 4 goals. One mission, 4 goals are there. The first goal is that now the school is working hard. Not only this school, but all TCB schools are trying their best to give good modern education. Good education, good facilities to students, teacher facility, all this infrastructure, good facility to the students, so that they become a very good modern education. Well qualified. This is the one goal. And second goal is that to give proper cultural education. You should be proud of your language. Are you proud of your language? Yes. Very good girls and boys now. You are very responsible. Thank you. So your culture, your language, you should be proud. When you look at the face, now, if one foreigner comes, all of a sudden if you look at your face, will he be able to identify you? All of a sudden, will you be able to identify? No. You will say, you say now, I am from Tawang. Then you speak, what is the language of Tawang? What is the culture of Tawang? What is the tradition of Tawang? Where are you from? What is your father's name, mother's name, your uncle's name, your sister's brother's name? So that is very important, my dear. Where you are from, that is very important. Identity. So I would say now, the second one is now, and third one is, my dear, the third why we are working hard. We want our children good modern education. We want our children a good cultural education, a good language now. And third what we want is that now, third one is now, students standing on their own feet. Yes, standing on today. Now, you know that now, you know very well. We have one saying, come to school to learn and go to what? Serve. Very good. Now, when you come here to learn, go to serve. Serve yourself. Serve your family. Serve your community. Serve your nation. Serve your friends. All friends. And if possible now, if you can help others, help. Lord Buddha said, if you can't help, what don't do? Don't harm others. That's what Lord Buddha he says. So I want you to know, stand on feet now. Students they do gardening. They try to do kitchen work. They do now, cleaning washroom. Now. They do now. Some students go to play and they do referee. So now they do referee now. Now basketball, football, volleyball. Okay, we have the students themselves. Okay, they are standing on. They are being do now. Okay, they are refereeing. They are being referee. They are doing a committee, organizing committee. So now we want. This is important, my dear students. You have to stand on. The third one is self-reliance. Okay, you stand on your own feet. This is what Gandhi says. Okay, now Gandhiji don't say no. Look, does everything. Gandhiji cleans his own clothes, clean his own room. So this one philosophy of Gandhian philosophy is standing on your own feet. Okay, now do your. And fourth goal is now contribution. Come to learn and go to what? Serve now. So in future you should think of the contribution. What can I do? What can I do for myself? What can I do for my sister? What can I do for my brother? What can I do for my family? What can I do for my monastery? What can I do for my community? What can I do for my nation? What can I do for my friendly nations? What can I do? That's the most important thing. Okay, now, if you want to have a good family, you should think, what can I do for my family? If you want the world, good peace in the world now, what can I do for my world? Okay, now, so this I think now, this the fourth one is contribution in life. Contribution. Okay, now, this is what I want to do. So I want to stop here. Eugene?
Yeah,
okay, Eugene, what is your question, please?
What is the most important activity of your school?
School now. Very good question. Eugene, can I big clap to Eugene, please now? Very good. So, what is the most important activity? One of the most activity just recently concluded. Okay, recently. That is there now. The students participate in cultural activities. Okay, students group song, Tibetan song, they are singing song. Okay, in praise of the nation. Okay, in praise of your country, your place. Okay, your village, your place. Okay, now so now actually, and also now some students playing. What is in Tibetan? What is this called? Guitar type. What is that now? Damien. Okay, now playing damien. Yamjin, okay, stringed instrument, and some students dancing. Okay, now, yes. Do you know how to dance?
Yes.
In the morning, did you see the students playing? Okay, dancing. Do you see? Yes. Yeah. And did you participate?
Yes, sir.
Who participated? Please raise your hand. Everybody participated. Very good now. So that is important. Okay, now, all now. Okay, dance. Okay, now. Those who don't know how to dance, they could dance. Okay, now. So this culture, this part of culture now, this is one important activity, you know. And we have also now Riglam. Do you know Riglam? Okay now, imagine. Did you see now? Okay, the monks doing this now. Yes, Riglam is very important. Okay now, you want to be intelligent mind, logical mind, reasoning mind, scientific mind. Riglam is very important. Okay now, you should now. Yes. Okay now, you tell. Okay, if there is a smoke, okay, is it now? Okay, is it a sign that there is a fire? If there is a smoke, is it a sign that there is a fire? No. If there is smoke, it could be. Okay, now, it could be most probably. So like this, okay, listen now, okay, now, this one, okay, to have a very sharp mind, intellectual mind. So Riglamist activity is also there, and finally the sports activity is there. Okay, now, many activities are there. So one, she asked, maybe cultural activity, that is very important. So I want to stop here.
As a token of gratitude, I, on behalf of Another Buddhist Welfare Association, would like to request a chanting master of Siraji Monastery, Venerable that we offer a hug of thank you to the school administration for their wonderful hospitality and making us feel at home. Thank you very much, sir.
and that one is English section, and this part is our art and craft section. I think you people will enjoy looking into the art and craft section. Please come. Same school or from a different school? Different school. Okay, how is the feeling? How is the experience?
Very nice.
Very nice. The first time coming to the Bylakuppe?
Yes.
Okay, so this is our art and craft section. Okay, and here we have created a we have all the art and craft materials, and children can come and do an art and craft whenever they want to do it. And these are the art they have created based on the storybooks they have read and the storytelling. And also we have got this section for the jigsaw puzzle over there and the chess they have, so they can just, and have their own creativity. Alright, if you want to do any art and craft also, you can do it right now. It's if you have a time. If you have questions, just ask me. In Hindi also you can ask, or in Tibetan also, but I don't know Arunachal language. You are from Arunachal? Yes. Where from? Yes. It's already in
A joy of book, which was Dalai Lama and his best friend. That was book also treated like.
Is it sellotape?
Yeah, I saw it.
Commission. 그때가 지지 experience 했어.
Experience. So it's there. Kitab ko.
기사 걸가.
Easy experience na ingin ng break. At ang buklap ko sumiri istanan ano pro na ang buklo ng atang ay buklo ko sumijata buklo ko sumdanan siya ko sumiri.
그래 이 신용 능력. 이거 이제
Science lithium, components, essentially carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, minerals, it comes to
Pwede siya pre.
잭불 켜도 와. 잭불 켜 놓아.